I've been doing a little decluttering lately. We have our town-wide garage sale coming up in just a couple of weeks, and I was starting to think about what we were going through when my dad passed away and when we were decluttering the house to get it ready to go up for sale. And I realized that there are a lot of really good reasons to seriously think about decluttering after the age of 50. So today I want to share with you 9 authentic reasons to consider decluttering after the age of 50 and simplify your life. Hi everybody, my name is Sarah. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here today. If you don't know me, I am the owner of FrozenPennies.com. I am a certified financial coach, and as a family, we are debt-free. So considering how much stuff I have, even though we are not really big collectors and keepers of things, there's still so much stuff in our little house. I would really love to get it to a place where it's ready for others to take care of if the need ever arises. So today we're going to go over these 9 ideas that I have of why you should consider decluttering after 50, more so than maybe any of your younger ages. Number 1, downsizing. Now, I'm not necessarily talking about downsizing your home, although that could be a huge part of this. You may consider after the age of 50, your kids are growing up, they may be moved out, they may be on their way. You might consider downsizing your home just to make it a little bit more affordable for you. But also downsizing your stuff. Who needs an entire closet full of clothes? Even if you're still in the workforce and working, you don't necessarily need so much stuff. You don't need 100 pairs of shoes and 500 shirts and 300 dress pants and so many clothes. Consider downsizing your stuff. Also consider downsizing the stuff that you have in storage. The less stuff you have, the less you have to take care of. Number 2, preparing for retirement. By age 50, we're looking like maybe 12 to 20 years left in the workforce, depending on where you are. Will you stay where you are, or will you go? Will you sell all of your stuff and be a snowbird, or move permanently to a warmer, drier climate? If you decide that you want to move, then it's going to be a lot easier to pack everything up if you only own half of it. Number 3, consider your health and safety. Constantly moving things around, constantly moving to clean or shuffle things around or move bins or boxes is going to pose a health and safety risk eventually. Why not get rid of this stuff now while you still can physically, so you don't have to worry about it down the road? Number 4, change in lifestyle. Less to clean, less to decorate. You may decide that you don't want to dust all of the decor that you might have. You might want to go for a simpler, more minimal decor in your home so you don't have to worry about cleaning it. The same goes for decorations seasonally. You may decide at this point in your life that you just aren't willing to pull out those Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, Halloween, 4th of July bins every season, every holiday to decorate your house. It might be time for you to consider what will happen down the road and prepare and get rid of that stuff now. Now, if you're a fan, if it brings you joy and you love doing it, don't stop yet. Just consider a little bit of decluttering. Number 5, less burden on family. Now, once my dad passed away and my gram passed away nearly after that, it was a large burden on the family to have to go through everything and make the decisions. I decided that as an only child, it was only me with my dad, so I decided that I didn't want to put that burden on my family. I wanted to make sure that it was the least amount of trouble for them to go through my stuff after I've passed away that I possibly can put on their shoulders. This means getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I don't need it. I don't want it. I'm not interested in it anymore. I'm all done. I'd rather enjoy my time and do the things that I love rather than worry about the other things. Number 6, emotional well-being. The less stuff you have, the less pressure, the less stress, the better you're going to feel. I know that I feel less stress when I have less stuff. So I am 100% behind this movement to declutter after the age of 50. I want to get rid of it all. If it were up to me, I'd get rid of it all and I'd probably be living in a tiny house on a piece of property someplace, as long as I had internet. Number 7, aging in place. This is an interesting concept. Are you planning on living in the place that you are living right now as you age? As you progress in age, are you going to stay where you are? It might be time to just think about it. Now, I know for us, we plan on living here. I'm never moving again unless I go into one of those really amazing. My great aunt was in this really, really amazing apartment complex. It was gorgeous. It had a pool, it had a library, it had a theater. It was amazing. If I move again, that'll probably be where I'd want to go. So when we purchased this house, we actually purchased this house because of the way that it was laid out. It has a bedroom on the main floor. It has a bathroom on the main floor. Everything is on the main floor. So if we decide when we get older that we didn't want to ever move again, which is kind of where we were going when we purchased this house, we can gracefully age in place. Number 8. Selling things for extra income and for investments. You may want to take all of the things that you are not using and that you've decluttered, sell them, and then invest that money into your retirement. Just a little bit extra money can really go a long way with compound interest. And the last reason to declutter is you're not purchasing extra items. At this point in my life, I know the things that I normally use on a daily basis. I don't need anything extra. And I'm not necessarily purchasing other items. And I know as I get older, the purchasing is also going to decrease. I'm not going to have an interest in going out shopping for things anymore. I'm just going to be able to live with the things that I love the most in my home and not worry about buying anymore, which will in return decrease the decluttering that will need to take place as I age. I hope these ideas have given you some thought on your own decluttering after the age of 50. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.